What's a list? The most basic data structure in Python is a sequence. Each element of a sequence is assigned a number, its position or index. The first index is 0 in all Python structures, the second index is 1, and so forth. Creating a list is as simple as putting different comma-separated values between square brackets, for example. If we look here, we can see this is example here. Let's get a pen. List 1, this is our brackets here, and this is our values: string, integer. The list can take many data types. Let's access value in lists. To access value in a list, use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain value available at that index. We will access any value using index. If we look at this example here, list 1, we can see physics, chemistry, and this. If we print a list of 0, we will get physics. This is our list of 0. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This is list of 1, list of 3 here, will print 2000. Let's try this in our Python shell. I create a list here equal to, I type here Mahmoud, Amal, Hamza, then I press enter. If I set x of 0, this will print Mahmoud. If I set x of 1, this will print Amal, and if I set x of 2, this will print Hamza. If I set x of 3, there is no 3 index here. We will get index error, list index out of range. You want to get the 3, and there is no 3 here. Okay. Updating list. If you want, you can update single or multiple elements of list by giving the slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator, and you can add 2 elements in a list with the append method. We will see a lot of methods or list methods in detail later in the next video. But let's see this example. Here our list, chemistry, physics, and so on. If I set list of 2 equal to this number here, this will remove this and we'll add this number here. If we print list of 2, this will get. Let's try this in our shell. This is here. This is our list here, x equal to Mahmoud, Amal, Hamza. If I set x of 2 equal to Noor, then we print x, we will see Mahmoud, Amal, Noor. Here I update our index 2 from Hamza to Noor. Okay. Deleting list elements. To remove a list element, you can use either the delete statement if you know exactly which element or elements you are deleting, or the remove method if you do not know. If we sit here, this is our list 1, physics, chemistry, and here if I print, this is our list here. If I type del list 1 of index 2, this is index 1, 0, 1, 2. This will remove this. This will remove this. If we print our list again, we will see this. Okay, let's try this on our Python shell. Here, if I type del x of 2, if I print x again, we will see Mahmoud, Amal only. In the next video, we'll start talking about first the len method. The len method gives the total length of a list. Remember, this len takes the name of our list. Let's see this example here. I create a list with physics, chemistry, and so on, those values. Then I type len of list 1, it gives us 4 because these are 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this in our shell. Here, if I create x equal to this list, Mahmoud, Amal, if I len of x, this will print 2 because those 2 values, okay? The index, the method takes us the name of any list value and returns the index of this value. Like this, I print list1.index of physics, it gives us the index 0 because this is as index 0. Let's try this. I said x.index of Amal, this will print 1 because this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, insert a value in any place you want on list, but remember that insert takes 2 arguments. Here our list, then I said list1.insert mass, I get an error. Let's see this error, type error. Insert, the insert method takes exactly 2 arguments, not 1 given, we give it a 1 argument only. So we have to list1 to insert, we have to give it the 2 parameters here, or 2 arguments. 1, this is the index here, index 1 and mass. If we print our list again, we will see that this is index 0 and this is index 1, which we give it here. Let's try this. I said here x.insert, then I said here Hamza, I'll get the error. Insert takes exactly 2 arguments, 1 given. So to solve this, I'll set x.insert 2 and Hamza. If we print x, we will see Mahmoud, Amal, Hamza. Okay? The append will take this value here and print it and put it in the end of our list. The append insert a value at the end of our list. If we look here, list1.append data structure, it insert data structure at the end of our list. Let's try this. I'll set here x.append Noor. If I print x, we can see that Noor moved to the end of our list. Okay, remember, insert a value in this index, but append insert this value at the end of our list. Okay, count how many times in this value here repeated. If we look here, we can see that there is a chemistry here and there is a chemistry here. If we type list1.count chemistry, we get 2 because the chemistry repeated 2 times. But if we said list1.count physics, we get 1 because there is only 1 physics. Let's try this. I'll append another value here. Sorry. If I said x.append, then I type Amal. If I print x, we can see that there is Amal and Amal. If I said x.count Amal, we get 2 because there is Amal here and here. But if we set x.count and they give it any value else, like Hamza, we will get 1 because Hamza repeated only 1 time. Okay? The pop method will back with the name of last value here and will remove this value from our list. Like here, I said list1.pop it gives us chemistry, the last value here, and if we print the list again, the chemistry has been deleted. Let's try this in our shell. If I said x.pop, it gives us Amal here, the last value, and if I print x again, we can see that Amal has been deleted from our list. Okay. Reverse will reverse our list. If we look here, physics, chemistry, those values here. If I type list.reverse and print this, we will see that this value comes to first, then this, then this, then this, then this. Let's try this in our shell. If I said here x.reverse, if we print x, we can see Noor, the last value, became the first value, Hamza, the second value, Amal, the third value, and the first value here became the fourth value here. Okay. Removes any value you want. We here type list.remove and give it this number here, and when we print it again, this number has been removed. If I type here x.remove, then I type Mahmoud, but x, there is Noor, Hamza, Amal, but Mahmoud has been removed. Okay. Math with lists. If we have two lists here like x, and if we create one equal to another list equal to Mahmoud, Adam, if we set x plus y, we will get Noor, Hamza, Amal, Mahmoud, Adam. Okay. If we multiple this list here, I type y multiple 3, this list will be repeated 3 times, Mahmoud, Adam, and Mahmoud, Adam, and only one